Hi everyone. Probably from the title today you see what I'm going to talk about. PCOS.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned up. So right now I'll be strong.
A lot of people out there would like to know a lot more about PCOS and see the realness about people living with PCOS. And if you have not realized by now, I have PCOS. And if you don't know what PCOS is, this is the video for you. So I am going to include also information video as well to explain to you as well about PCOS. But in my own words, in my own research that I've come across, everything will be summed up into my own words. PCOS is polycystic ovary syndrome. So this means that you have cysts on your ovaries. For me, I did not know and find out that I had cysts on my ovaries until I was trying to conceive. And with all the symptoms that I had and still have, if I did not find out, if I wasn't trying to conceive, I wouldn't know that I have PCOS. So basically the main symptom that I found out that I remember having when I was younger is not having a period regularly. So when you have cysts on your cysts on your ovaries, a few people do have regular periods, a few people have irregular period, and a lot of people don't have a period. They need, which is common, a birth control to jumpstart their period, which I do. With PCOS, with my period, I will get it 3 months, not 3 months straight, but I'll get it for 3 months behind each other. But then I will not have it for like 6 months, and even sometimes go up to 9 months without a period. So just imagine how you would feel not having a period up to 9 months. But remember, then I was in high school and I thought I was lucky. I didn't really care too much because I'm like, oh, I'm the lucky one that didn't have a period so regularly. But not knowing what it was, I was fine, I was okay still. I wasn't thinking about anything, but didn't know that it would hurt me in the long run. And PCOS is something that you cannot cure. PCOS is something that you will always live with, but you can manage it to the fullest, right? You can do things to manage it. So my lifestyle, my PCOS lifestyle, I will share with you guys and how I manage it and how, like, give you tips and ideas of how you can manage it as well. A lot of people don't know what PCOS is. I'm just summing it up. It's cysts on your ovaries. Cysts on your ovaries that leads you not to have regular periods or not to have any at all without the help of birth control, which that's the most common thing that the doctors prescribe for you. And one of the big things when you get older, you want to have a family of your own, infertility. It's hard to get pregnant when you have PCOS. Normally every female has cysts on their ovaries, but they have their menstrual cycle, which flushes everything out. But for people that has PCOS, it stays and it grows. Some people, it doesn't grow, it just stays at a certain size, but for some it do grow. Because there are different types. Like, doing my research and everything, I have come across that there's different types of PCOS, and that would be in a separate video.
If you have polycystic ovary syndrome, your pituitary gland may release abnormally high amounts of luteinizing hormone into your bloodstream, disrupting your normal menstrual cycle. As a result, your follicles do not mature and ovulation does not occur, which can lead to infertility. Some of the immature follicles do not dissolve and remain as fluid-filled sacs or cysts. In addition, your doctor may find your blood has high levels of insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. Too much insulin, combined with high levels of luteinizing hormone, can lead to excess production of a male hormone called testosterone in your ovaries. Abnormally high levels of testosterone prevent ovulation, which can lead to infertility. High levels of testosterone also cause many of the physical features associated with polycystic ovary syndrome, such as acne and abnormal hair growth. Having polycystic ovary syndrome raises your risk for type 2 diabetes because of excess insulin and insulin resistance, heart disease, high blood pressure, cholesterol abnormalities in the blood, and endometrial cancer. Since there is no cure for polycystic ovary syndrome, your doctor may recommend one or more medications to treat your symptoms, such as hormonal birth control, which, while preventing pregnancy, also regulates your menstrual cycle and reduces testosterone production in your ovaries. Anti-androgen medications, which reduce abnormal hair growth and acne. Diabetes medications, such as metformin, which lowers your insulin levels and regulates your menstrual cycle. And fertility medications, which can stimulate ovulation so you can become pregnant. If you want to become pregnant and fertility medications have not succeeded in restoring ovulation, your doctor may recommend laparoscopic ovarian drilling. During the procedure, your surgeon will insert a small needle into the ovary and use an electric current to destroy small areas of ovarian tissue where testosterone is produced. Over time, testosterone production diminishes, and ovulation may occur.